Hello, my name is Ida and welcome to my family kitchen. It's a while ago since I did any video in YouTube or anything. I moved from Malmö a long time ago, at least 5 years ago or so, and I didn't have so much plant with me or other things happen. But I'm going to try to pick up on this with plants for many reasons. For my own reason, because I have a horticulture management, got green fingers from birth, Not that I know always how to use them, but that's how it is. I need plants in my life. That makes me happy. So I try to incorporate this now in my family a little bit more. I had it before, and biggest problem is that we have a cat. She likes grass-like plants. So, this is cat food behind me. It's actually not my choice of plants. I have a family, I have relatives, things happens, and things goes around. You get someone or someone, you give away. I'm going to show you plants I like, but I have home. Not everyone, but my favorites. I'm really into variegated plants. I'm planning to make my own hybrids of the African violet, and I want a hybrid on variegation and leaf shape is my main goal. Flowers is my the second part or third part of the whole production, or if I get something. It's a long going thing. Trying to get seeds from USA, ordered now in Corona times. Nothing had comes. I ordered a long time ago. We'll see if it ever comes and I have to reorder. I try to get them tracked, but my sister said track doesn't help. She tracked things, doesn't work anyhow. So I will wait and see what happens, what's coming, what goes around, what comes around. I also have a bunch of not African violet, as spider plants, clostridiums. I promise to make a video very soon. Stay tuned for that one too if you're interested. I'll start off with the biggest plant that I have. Not that I have really, but in this video. Spatifilum domino, or Spatifilum wildsea domino if you want to tell the whole name. I don't know names so good in my head. I will put everything in the video. You will see them on the screen because I don't pronounce them like you might do. Love this all time friend. Very nice. I took away a third of this plant this year. Clean it up. You know how it works with plants. Another one of my favorites that I actually have at the moment is this one. This is a very normal plant. This is a variegated, I don't know what you call it. It's oxalis at least. I know that. You want to have this one, you have to search for Oxalis francis. That's what this is. Totally violet. Hope you can see that. Flowering, I don't like the flowering. It's actually sterile. If you're worried about seeds or anything, it doesn't spread that way. It spread with its bulbs in the soil. Very beautiful one. Another one, natural plant more or less, is this one. It's a caladium. I had it at least 5 years. The caladium bicolor. Again, this is not. If you want to have this, you can search for Florida clown. That's look exactly like this. This is not bought like Florida clown. This comes from a jungle in Asia. It's evergreen in my home because it was evergreen in the jungle. Doesn't die down totally. Not easy. I like that. I do have another caladium. This is small in the windows. I normal, very common caladium. What I want to show you now is I'm new to this Calitia. I don't know how many years this has been out in the market or popular, or it's a big thing. Maybe not that big thing, but when I start new plants and collection, this is very nice. I have this one because this is very much like Maranta. That's a stenante. I think it's stenante. It's not Burley Max, this is stenante. I have a sheet note. Amagris. This is sold mixed with Burley Max. This is a very normal one. Maranta. Flowering is beautiful. I don't have this for a long time, maybe between 2-3 months, some of them. Because I like variegated plants, I like to collect things that is kind of odd. I got this also, bought this. Can you see this? It's beautiful. It's I put the name, it's a variegated Maranta, it's a very beautiful name as well. It's sitting in a self-watering pot. I will go through this stuff, or wick water system. I will tell that in another video. This will be too long if I add it here. I tried, so I redo the video. This is another one I bought by internet. It doesn't exist in like name or variety or type. I don't know what this really is. It's beautiful. That's why it's stunning. Look at that. The new leaves has like red veins. I don't know. Can you get it in? There you can see. Beautiful. So it looks like a bit tiny. It looks like a mix of everything. I got it because of the veins. The one that's variegated, the veins you can see it the same way. So now we're going to Caletheia. Caletheia changed name to something strange. I can't say it. I don't know if it's changed name really. It's kind of new information. I think for everyone. It doesn't say anything on the plants that I buy or in the internet, in the e-shops. Here we have a Caletheia. This is very common Caletheia. It's mass produced, everything you know. It is. I thought I had a. First, check internet. I thought I had corona. It's not corona. I would like to have that. It sounds very nice. I know in this time with a safe corona. I want to have a safe corona. I will not make jokes about it. My family actually suffered from corona since I'm Swedish. But we have some casualties I know about at least. This say the least that what can happen. So this is Caletheia picturata. Problem with this one, when I start to search corona, there is a lot of same looking Caletheia. We have Caletheia roseopicta that came. They have this same roseopicta silvia. I can buy in Sweden, not north where I'm living. I can buy it in south. I have to go south or buy it by internet. People selling cuttings. On Tradera. Tradera is Swedish eBay. It's called Trade and More together, and then it's Tradera. The word Tradera is like a mix between Trade and More. I think so. I don't know. I haven't checked it out properly. So I can get Sylvia. Sylvia is the same as Rosie. So what is the difference between a picturata and a roseopicta that looks the same? Well, roseopicta is high. It has not so red underside or violet underside. It's more brownish, and roseopicta gets a pink hue on the leaves. I have never seen this one getting on any image ever. It can get a rose color hue on the leaf, and usually even if the leaf doesn't have a rose color, it has a burgundy line here on the leaf there in the middle nerve. And then I checked it out more. I found out that there's a Caletheia Tanya as well. I put the whole name together. I can buy that one in England if I want to have. Actually, I can buy it from a company sending it to me from England. I'm not going to do that. It's the same. It looks the same, like Sylvia, Rosie. I don't know the difference between that. You have to search and Google. I don't know. I'm standing up. You don't see me. I don't know the difference. If you know anything, I want to add something. I can't separate them from image. I don't know. So Tanya, Sylvia, Rosie. Is that same plant? I don't know. Is the same plant as Corona? I don't know. So now we have 4 names of something that seems to be the same. And Caletheia Tanya, I can't say roseopicta. I think it's a roseopicta, but I have found no information that says a roseopicta. Why I had this one to show I have more Caletheia, this is not the only one, because I got a really gem. I promise you this is a word. Gem today. This is my gem. Let's see if we can see it. It's Caletheia Burlamax. Burlamax? No, Burlamax, not Pikaiox. I will add the name. It's a flowering Caletheia. Person selling this on the internet didn't know it flowered. I explained and they were like, wow, it's flowered. I don't know how the person got this one. If you buy this, it's, you know, sold in, we have a retail, what do you call it, not retail, ooh, I lost the word, grossist, I hope that's the right word, do you understand that? Grossist selling this one. Flora Access or Flora Access. They sell it like big plants. They have flower in them and notes, you know, stickers, tells what it is. Probably just Kaliti. I don't know if the flowers in on the sticker, but they don't sell them like this. They don't sell them without flowers. Anyhow, I told them they have the name. That's the problem with plants also. You have to be very careful. If you go internet, if you buy a plant, you have to be like 3 times thinking, is this right? Search more information. There's a lot of strange stuff getting out in the internet. People don't know. People take what they hear. They don't check it out. Sometimes, and most of the times, there is no sure source, so there is no sure information. This person knew the name, but didn't check it out. Didn't know it's flower. They put the name on the internet. Good, I could find it. I could buy it. I'm very happy. Most people doesn't know, the buyers, what it is. Good for me, I mean. You're missing out on something very exclusive. Thank you for that. I also bidding on there are some plants I don't want to have in my collection. For example, climbers and thrilling plants is not really my thing. I'm gonna have some in future, of course. One of my favorite, if I move this one behind like so is this one. I don't have them standing like this. They have their own spot and their own trays with things. Oh, I forgot the name. Pilonia repens now. You know, the names, I add everything, and it would be old friend. I cut it down this year. Totally, it was nothing. I sold of it. I like to spread it. It's not bought. I will not tell how I got it. Lovely plant. If you get it, it's crisp. It's called watermelon begonia in English. I name everything. Problem with this one is it's losing the variegation in all the leaves. It actually cover the center with new growth. It's never empty. It's never going to lose. It's not like other plants. They get empty and they hang it out. This fills up by itself very nicely in the center. It's not a climber. It's more like a crawler. It just goes straight out. You can pinch them. You can put them in water. You can even put them in soil and they might root. I don't do that. I always put in water if I can. So now I want to go to another video. This is all my plants, and that's what I have for plants and tell. Check out the other one about soil. I'm going to tell about plant production and a little bit you have to think about when you get a plant in home before you panic. Totally. Thank you.